waist of 20. So first off, I want to cut my bridal. Then my waist measurement is 20, so I'll be adding 3 inches zip allowance to it. That's 1.5 inch on both sides, which is 23. So to cut, I'm cutting it in 360-degree flare. So to get the radius, what I'll do is that I'll divide this as 3 by 6.28, which is area of a circle. It should give me 3.5 or thereabout, approximately 3.5. So what I'll do is that I will get the length of my skirt, the lower part. So that's 19 into the full length minus the half length, 8, making 11. So I'm cutting my lining as, let's say, 9 inches. That's because I don't want the lining to be coming out underneath the dress. I cut it as 9 inches. To get the length of what I'll be using, I just add this plus 3.5. So that's 12.5. So I'll go ahead to fold take my measurements. The radius 3.5. Measure it from I haven't done that. Now I'll go ahead to cut. I want to go ahead to cut my neck. So to know what I'll be needing, the length of the lower part is 11 inches. 11 inches. So I thought I'll be adding crinoline to the net to make it wavy. So this 11 inches, I'll add 2 inches to it, making 13 inches. So the longest length is 13 inches, and this 2 inches is 1 inch for crinoline and 1 inch for sewing allowance. So if I want it to be like 3 or 4 layers, that means the first layer is 13 inches, the second layer size will be 11 inches, after that will be 9 inches, and after the 9 inches will be 7 inches. How to understand? Just subtracted 2 inches each. The longest is 13 inches, 13, 11, 9 and 7. So this is for the 4 outer layers. Then for the one that will be under, now this is making 4 layers already. So the one that I'll be going out, I'll be cut 11 inches. Let's say in four layers. So if I add it to this other 4 layers, that's making 8 layers. So I will show us how I'm cutting the next. So I'll be measuring 11 inches in 4 layers. I'll be marking out my 13 inches length. I'm marking out the 11 inches length. I'm marking out my 9 inches. I'm marking out 7 inches here. Here I have all my layers of net, and these are the 4 layers that will be underneath. This is my longest layer, followed by this, and that's the last layer. I will be aligning my layers of net as one piece. So I'll be starting with the 4 inner layers, which I'll be aligning together, after which I will add the longest layer and the remaining ones. I'm making sure that the nets are well aligned, after which I'll secure with a pin and take it to the sewing machine. I'll be joining my layers of net together as one piece. I will join each layer such that none of the layers is left out. You can even count it. Well, since you know you have 8 layers, you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till you get to 8. Just be sure that no layer is left out. So I'll keep joining my layers of net together as one piece till I'm done joining.
So I'll be adding my crinoline, which gives it that beautiful wavy effect. So I'll add it to the edge of my net and secure with pins. Please do not pull the crinoline. The next thing I'll be doing is to flip my crinoline to the other side, and as you can see, I'm using my second hand to guide it so that the net is well placed and I don't have net coming out from the other side. I would like to gather my net. The first thing I'll be doing is to divide my net into two and mark the midpoint or notch the midpoint. Then I go ahead to start the process of my gathering. First off, I'll ensure to leave 1.5 inches for zip allowance before I start gathering my net. After leaving my 1.5 inches for zip allowance, I'll start gathering my net like so. When I get to my midpoint, I'll gather to that point. After which, I'll take my tape rule to check my progress. So for this project, the waist measurement is 20, and as you can see, I'm doing very well. So I'll continue gathering my net. have to leave the 1.5 inches zip allowance at the end. My wavy ball dress looks good already, so I go ahead to attach to my desired upper bodice. Wow, what a beautiful dress. Bye.